Are you guys excited? Where are you going? Huh? You're gonna find the cows with Dad? You guys went and didn't find them, right? Okay. Apparently there is another grazing land. Did you see the baby goats? Aren't they cute? Look at that one jumping. Kale mujendeji. Nyowe nakubategereza naguma okwo. In the village. So I'm gonna be here for some time.
I'll go to the next one next.
Is it good already? Oh. Angel puts the stopper. Good job. Awesome.
This one is yeah.
It's nice to learn these skills, my boys, right? Right? Yeah. 50? Nice.
What down these?
Get it real clean. What do you mean, yo? I'm your brother. You just said that I wasn't like to be on your side. Hi, Angel. Did you guys really watch the video?
Yes.
Did you?
Did you really watch under here, Glenn? Because I saw tons of dirt.
No. Yeah, Glenn. probably not the side I'm currently watching. You guys, you're putting barely any soap on the hood.
I think
Yeah. The hood is the hood, you know? It's all hood. I believe this is the fender.
Nice teamwork, boys. Aww.
Oh wait, no, that's untreatable.
yeah, I'm bringing the bucket here for, you know.
Yeah, if you get the GMC, tell me where you're going to go get the water. This one says, proud to be a parent if to be a parent. That's all it says. Yeah. Yogurt school is in this cookie. He's
Shisubi.
so because I was caught. Charger is in cookie. No, it isn't.
I was actually hesitant them using the rags, but I think you had worked with them and they had used them before, right?
I actually watched it.
That's good.
I'm saying I've never done that from a distance. Or at least I was for a day.
Wait,
Then I was district manager for a day, but then the war broke out.
Okay, maybe you guys, you want to drink something?
Give
Yes.
Feel free. You
can
go
go
with him
and
and
pick whatever you want. Newman is a very poor Muslim.
He did actually. He kind of.
Share that picture.
I will.